Hi everyone, this is a video about this DJI Tello boost combo that nowadays they are very popular because of the weight and the size and the ability that you can fly it inside. Unfortunately, this is an unboxing video, and the box unfortunately had an accident and is a little bit battered and torn up in the post. So this is the back of the box that it says 13 minutes max flight time, and then precise hovering, 5 megapixel camera, and electronic image stabilization, and 720p HD transmission, and multiple flight modes, easy operation, programmable with the Tello SDK. So this is all about this. On this side nothing, and here it says several stuff what it comes with, and this one it comes with the Tello itself, and then you have an app that you can download and play with. It doesn't have any controls, but you can purchase the controls, and it has a spare blades, just 4 of them, but it comes in 8. You have to install the propellers, the 4 of them yourself, and I've done it and I show it to you. It comes with a charging hub that is capable of charging 3 batteries one by one, and then USB cable, and then propeller removal tool is a metal piece, and a quick start guide. Nothing else. And on the back is the same, I guess, that we read. So I'm going to get everything out of the box and I'm going to carry on. So this is out of the box. So as I mentioned, it comes with 3 batteries. One is inside here, and as you see, this one is the 1st of 3rd 21, so is quite recent. And then it comes with a charging hub that it can take 3 of them in there. So I'm going to shortly demonstrate that. I find a cable, and this is a cable which is not very long. I have to bring it to the screen to show you how it's charging. And then this is the paper that it comes with. It's about safety and rules and regulations, but what language is this? The English. So this is one that it comes with it, and then is the Tello's booklet that it comes in many languages, and it just talks about the specification rather than telling you how to use it. And these are 4 extra propellers with a removal tool, and then 2 more batteries. So you're going to get 3 batteries with this. I put this aside as well, but in case that you have this in this shape, you can use this. Don't throw it away. You can use this to place it in a hard case in order to place all of your stuff in here, and then underneath there are some space that you can use it in your hard case if you have already a hard case. But you can buy a hard case for this from £10 up to £25. You can buy that And I have a 10 pounds box here that is very simple, but is not going to help you a lot, because it's only giving you the option of the 3 batteries and the charger and the cable, nothing more. And the charger is just goes in there like so. So it's really good, and I have modified this a little bit. I tore all surrounding of this in order to make it like a door. And then, as you see, there are empty spaces here that you can use it to store your extra accessories that you're using with this unit. So this hard case is really rugged and is not going to, protect it too much, but still it's hard. And you can purchase this for 10 pounds. And this is, just ignore this, because I have, as I mentioned, modified this a little bit. So now let's talk about this. There are many accessories that you can buy for this unit, and the accessories is Wi-Fi range extender and extra more fast charging hub for your batteries, and many other stuff that you can purchase for this. But this unit is really small. You can look at it on the palm of my hand. You can remove all of these, and this is very versatile as well. If anything happened to this, you can purchase everything that you see here on the internet or on eBay. This is where you place the battery, and it has altitude hold as well. And there are good apps that Tello FPV and Tello Me, that it can follow you, is really good. My advice is definitely purchase those apps. And the range of this is not going to be more than 100 meters, and it is really too much. You shouldn't fly this more than your sight, because if you don't, if it is very small, and if you fly it too far, you can't see it. And if you are not a very experienced drone flyer, so you are gonna lose it. And with these blades, if you have accidents on the tree or somewhere, it's going to hang on the tree and you cannot get it. So if you are flying it outside, my advice is to take away these guards, because it's going to hang from any obstacles that is on its way. I show you the charger. This is just an unboxing video. Is not going to be flying or anything else. Maybe I'm going to make another video in case that you are interested, and leave some comments for the request of me doing that, because it's nice weather outside. I can do that anyhow. So it comes with a very short cable. So let's see if this one reaches the center of here. So I'm going to connect it to my USB charger there, and it has a micro USB on this side as well. So I put it there. Now it's on. It's checking all 3 ports, and there are no batteries. So I'm going to put one battery. It's just going there one way, those contacts there, and one series of contacts here. You just put it there, and it's going to start charging it. And when it's charged, it's just flashing. And you can put 3 of them at the same time. So it's going to charge according to whichever that is, it has more charge in it, and then moves on to the next one as well. So this is the charger. It takes, I think, 90 minutes for every battery to get charged, and 13 minutes runtime on this. And the video quality is not really good, but the pictures, they are reasonable. You can do that with the follow me function of the Tello Me app. I'm going to talk about this if you are interested in another extensive video about this, what you can get more with this to get it better range and so on. This video is just about the unboxing of this little gem of a drone that is really exciting to fly with, and you don't need any controller, but still you can buy a controller. There is an app from DJI that you can use that with your mobile phone to fly this. You just connect to the Tello itself and then fly it, and is really, the only thing that I think is not great is the blades or propellers, that they are not foldable, so it takes lots of space if you want to take it outside. So you have to have a case like this that I mentioned, at least something like this, as I mentioned, to take it outside. It's not like Mavic Mini or Mavic DJI Mini 2 that you can put it in your pocket, but the controller of the Mini still is big. Anyhow, this video is supposed to be a video, unboxing video, about this DJI Tello boost combo that I recommend anyone who is going for this item go for the boost combo. And then the price of this. Recently, the price of this shoots up to some ridiculous prices, but before was under £100 and now is between 160 up to £200. For instance, Curry's is selling this for £199, is really ridiculous, but it still is a fun drone to fly, and I fully recommend this item. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, if you have any questions, if you have any comments, please leave a comment. For me, I'm going to do my best to read them all. So take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.